What's up, Team Buckhouse? Welcome to the Breckenridge Bike Park. We're here with our boy Nate, and I told you we'd be making some mountain bike videos, but the main reason why we're at the Breckenridge Bike Park is because my son Roman has started skate camp this week, which I'm really excited for him, but that's a 4-hour long camp, so we got to do stuff in between that, and I was like, you know what, we got the bikes, might as well hit the bike park. So a little bike park video. I don't know what we're gonna get into. I'm terrified, I'm scared of bikes, and here we go. Alright, let's check out what we got going on here. We want to do this blue trail. This one right here is the rad one. Let me change my gears. That's it, that's the climb. Super short and easy. Alright, I'll follow you. That wasn't bad. A little warm up. More jumps on there than I thought. I'll follow you this time. So I've never done the Black Diamond Trail here before, so we're gonna walk it real quick, see if we can like ride through it, or you know, not everything has to be an air on some courses. So dude, this hip looks sick though. If you were good enough to do it, yeah. These look just hard. Like, let's see what's behind the step up real quick.
Yeah, that's a gnarly step up.
I haven't got that. Alright, yeah, we're not doing the black today. We'll do a couple more loops, but then we could post like a jump.
Yeah, that'd be sick.
Send it, Mr. Buckhouse.
Start it up.
It's funny, at that run, I felt like I was like, dude, I'm getting air.
Yeah.
But I felt I'm getting like no air. Whoa. That's a loop. That's a loop.
This is lit.
We cooked that one.
And this one's gonna be chipmunk on full loop, and then we're gonna start posting jumps and seeing how we're doing with our jumps. I say I don't want to learn to jump on my bike, but now I'm here trying to learn how to jump on my bike. Dude, there's no one at this bike park right now. It's super chill. We're gonna get a little selfie stick so we can film the jumps. All right, so now we got the selfie stick, but if you're wondering how I film the mountain biking, I do it with the Insta360 X3. It's the most rad, insane 360 camera. I use it for wakeboarding, I use it for snowboarding, it makes the pole disappear. Super duper awesome. If you guys need an action camera, highly recommend getting the Insta360 X3. Link in the description. It is a sponsor of this YouTube channel. We're trying to get better at jumping, so we're gonna film each other, so then we can see what we're doing wrong. You're going first. I don't even know if there's wrong. I don't know what we're doing. We're bikers, sir. Nice. So you got your back tire up. That wasn't bad. Go get it again. I say we do like 3 in a row. Nice, dude. That one was way better. Nice, dude.
Your turn, Mr. Buckhouse. That was rad. Oh, let's go.
That is legitimately the most air I've ever gotten on a mountain bike. Which makes me happy. I'm down to do another set of 3.
Okay.
To try and get the full clear.
Yeah.
But it's your turn, Mr. Nathan.
Alrighty.
Yeah, dude. Yeah, dude, you're like a foot from clearing. So once again, we have made mountain bike videos in the past. We have a whole playlist on mountain biking. You can check it out here. But it's one of those things where even though I kind of didn't mountain bike at all last year, I feel like I'm better mountain biking just taking some time off. I don't know. It's kind of wild. But we're going to be making more mountain bike videos now that Nate got a bike, which is really rad. I hate doing things by myself. I used to come out here and I've made videos at this bike park by myself. Way more fun when you got a friend and you can cheer him on and he's learning, you're learning. It's a rad time. So all right, let's see if we can get the whole thing to the sweet spot. Ooh.
Oh, that was it.
That was the first time I've ever cleared a jump on a bike.
Oh, sick.
I felt so crazy. It was like, oh, your turn, Nate. You clear it.
All right.
Yeah, dude. Dude, Nate's almost got it. He's literally landing like, got his full front tire over the knuckle. So let's go, Nate.
Sick.
It's one of those things where doing a little session like this it's kind of rad, you know? This is how you get good at stuff.
Every sport you do.
Every sport. Hiking. It's kind of sad. I'm a biker, sir.
You want to do a full pull?
Yeah, I think we're good on the hike session. This is rad.
Cool.
Start doing full pulls. So Nate was just saying, and I didn't think about it, but he's so right. We just put about an hour into hiking and sessioning that jump. So now we're gonna do a couple more loops. But take everything that we learned sessioning that jump and now apply it to the loop and send it. Should be sick. That was on you, that one. I looked like we were gonna have to walk it because of people. Dude, I'm so hyped on this little bike park session we had. Between mountain biking, wakeboarding, summerboarding, skateboarding, and of course, you know, we snowboard. Dude, we are becoming action sports athletes.
We're like Ryan Williams at this point.
Yeah, call us all Willie. Whatever, that dude. Oh, that dude. I've never ridden that trail like that before. Let's go. See you, sucker. You ready, Mr. Howard?
I'm ready, buddy.
I forgot something. This was a sketchy run for me. I committed to still going fast and sending it, but never got my bike into the right gears. Alright guys, this is Chipmunk. We're gonna go film Roman at skate camp for a second.
Skate camp.
Which is gonna be rad. And are you ready, Nathan?
Oh, I'm ready, Mr. Buckhouse.
Let's get it. See if we can, everything we learned today, apply it right now. You know what? I'm happy with that. I'm really happy with today in this little session. We'll have another day here for sure.
Oh yeah.
We killed it. Once again, we're new to mountain biking, so feel free to pull up the comments, tell us what we did good, what we did wrong, everything like that. First time ever clearing a jump. I'm pretty stoked. Big shout out to Nate for coming and ripping with us. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow in another video. It's daily on this channel. We do stuff like this daily.